Anywho. Okay. My first time watching this whole fucking thing in full, I never fully watched the. Well, besides the skits, I never fully watched a Druski production, right? Up until this moment. So this is a new territory for me. Can I laugh?
You check the engine oil on that?
The engine don't need checking, baby.
Could have been records. We are in Miami. Miami, yummy, yummy. Woo, woo. Business is business, baby. We ain't coming here to play no games. I'm just telling you right now, I don't give a So if you're gonna sign to me, that's what come with it.
Willing to do whatever except get on my knees.
Who told you about us?
Yo.
Y'all know what I'm here for.
Yo.
Yo, with a girl, you know what I'm saying?
Yo.
Better ass bop, man.
I'm already in this shit for life.
Maybe you go get that
my God.
tattoo replaced. There go your childhood. Cause look, I ain't finna play with y'all. Let's get into it.
Oh.
Let's hear what you got, brother.
Put your number inside me phone, babe. Call me up.
Oh, so we're just starting off straight. Just straight. Okay. All right. Cool.
Soon as you get home safe.
Ah, you on some Bob Marley shit. Okay. Clap it up. Everybody clap it up for him. Clap it up. Yo, I ain't tell the camera people clap it up. What the fuck y'all doing? I told my 2 security, I told both they bitch ass to clap it up.
Oh,
I didn't tell y'all to do that shit.
Okay.
Y'all keep y'all motherfucking hands on them cameras. Give me your best Jamaican song that everybody know. You don't know no Sean Kingston, you know that fat Jamaican too.
Beautiful girl.
Okay.
Never work. You got me. I don't know how it goes.
You ain't Jamaican for real.
I told you I'm not Jamaican.
Yeah, get the
I ain't
fuck
like
out of here. I'm
Yeah,
only
get the
making, I'm
fuck
only
out
getting
of
real
here.
Jamaicans.
Yeah. Wow. Can't even get a song.
Fake-ass
Can't even get a
Jamaican. You
Sean
don't know no Sean
Kingston song right. Okay,
That's the
sure.
best Jamaican that ever did it. You better than Bob Marley, Ziggy Marley, all those. Matter of fact, so
3.8,
you
nigga.
get
That's a
up
1.
here.
He's a 1.
Appreciate that, man. Get a diamond tester going. This is actually one of my personal homies right here. I just wanted to check something on this fuck nigga real quick. Make sure you get it on the gold. Fuck it. All right. Appreciate you, man. It's not gonna happen.
So who the fuck?
Yeah,
Oh
that's
no!
what we
Here
need
comes
right
the yacht train.
Hello.
Here
Yeah.
comes the yacht train.
One of the cameras
Jesus
actually back there
Christ.
behind you.
Oh my!
That's something you
Wow.
lied to me. You knew I was blind, though. You knew I was blind.
No, I was just trying to see something.
Oh, okay. You seen it.
Tricks.
Nah,
Oh, yeah. You saw that, baby. Homegrown cornbread fed.
Homegrown, huh?
Homegrown cornbread fed. Hello.
Hello.
I didn't
Hello.
make the mean
Hi.
ones even look a little greedy. So hello.
This nigga Druski so- I hate this nigga Druski so much, right?
Oh, y'all don't talk.
They
I
like that. They
Men in
like
Black.
that. They like that. What you do on a daily basis? Like, what's your job?
I'm an artist, but I have multiple businesses.
Oh, fuck. All right. Let's see what you got.
Yeah, I thought you wanted me to explain it to you. Like, you didn't want to know, like, what I do. Like,
Yeah. I just
I
knew.
cook.
What else?
Okay.
I'm an artist.
Let's hear what you got,
We
man.
already heard it. We already heard
We'd
that.
love to have a
Nigga
black
said how
queen down
much?
here
Oh
at the
my
label.
That hoe be talking, I'ma walk it on her whole posse. These bitches hate and talk about me, but got empty pockets. Gotta resort to violence.
Yeah.
Don't need no wheels, come through sliding. We got hella mileage.
Yeah.
The concrete road and shake and bake. I'm not like Ricky Bobby.
Damn right. When you say you got hella mileage, what you talking about right
In
there?
my car, babe.
In your car.
Yeah. Real tight.
You
and
check,
right.
You check the engine oil on that?
The engine don't need checking, baby. Real
Oh
tight
my
and
I
right.
like you. Okay. Come sign right here, baby girl. Yeah.
Sign your life for 'em.
I'm pretty much signing you for your
Nigga,
talent.
you give the yacht, you give the literal fucking yacht a 2.5 out of 5. But you give the Sean Kingston, Bob Marley, fake Jamaican wannabe a higher score. Get your fucking facts straight. Okay.
Only
all
for
right,
your
you got
talent, nothing else, nothing.
So why you tell me to turn around then?
it. Ooh, ooh, you know why?
Sign the fucking paper. What the fuck you talking about?
All right.
Sign the shit.
I like when they talk to me aggressive too.
He
Put the number
sound
down there,
good.
too. That's
She
just for
does.
contact information. We can get in contact with you. I'm not gonna call you tonight or tell you
Tomorrow.
to come to the Airbnb or nothing.
Okay.
That's just strictly for contact for business label stuff.
Right, of course, for work.
Stuff. Yeah, work stuff. You put the number down there? Yeah. Appreciate you. Yeah, thank you.
Guys.
Thank
Can
you.
I talk to the guys now? Can we talk? I get a hug. My bad.
Yeah,
I
you
don't
can.
even wanna talk.
Jesus.
He went.
See,
I like that. I like that. Dude, he try to get you a hug, nigga. He said, you gonna give me no hug?
Yo.
You want them to give me a hug, ass nigga, man. God damn, bro.
Sign that paper right there. And I need your number. I don't need your number because I'm going to call you tonight or tomorrow or maybe ask you to go to an Airbnb. But I need your number for the business. Now get the fuck out of here. So I guess that means a 10 out of 10. Highly recommend.
I like Shawty though, man. On a serious note, her talent
She cool.
was.
She cool. She cool. Hug her from the back.
How's it going, everybody? You look menacing right now. You look out of Game of Thrones. I'm Cuban. I'm a Cuban human. You like cigars, huh?
Okay.
I like coke, cocaina.
I'm a server.
You must not know why the fuck you here, man. Hey, come on, man. You know any Daddy Yankee or some shit?
Nah,
How bad you want this deal down here with us?
I want it bad, man. Willing to do whatever except get on my knees.
Who told you about us?
Yo.
Who told you that? They told you that back there? Who told you that?
I feel the energy.
Who told you that, man? Hey.
No, facts. Doing too much out of 5. True. Facts. True.
Who told you that? That's how we get down, man.
I
You
don't
know
know,
that, man. What y'all boys thinking? What y'all? Yeah, we ain't fucking with it. Appreciate you, brother.
Oh, damn.
It ain't hard to find. Back door.
Okay.
Hey, and I'm
well,
gonna keep it real with all the camera people in here. Y'all take y'all motherfucking hands off them cameras. I don't know what the fuck gonna happen. I'm gonna leave it at that.
No, son,
Everybody keep their
out of
motherfucking
5.
hands where I
Okay,
can see 'em
sure.
on them damn cameras. If you ain't got your hand on the camera, raise your hand. All right, then. Ain't none of y'all niggas playing with that pussy shit. But nigga would've put his hand up.
Oh,
Repercussions.
okay. Next person. And here comes the opium. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh no.
Yeah.
I already have the thumbnail. Holy fuck.
Yo, sure we had the metal detector for everybody, kid? What's
I
your
have like 2. No, 1. Maybe 2. No, 1.
name, man?
They call me the Black Bon Jovi.
The what? The Black Bon Jovi. Okay, sure.
All right, let's hear what you got, man.
Oh, you did it. Now you're gonna get it. Oh, you did it. Now you're gonna get it.
This nigga would be a perfect duo with Tizo Touchdown. This nigga would actually be a perfect duo with Tizo Touchdown. 100%.
If you want some, baby, come and get some. If you want some, baby, come and get some. Some.
Some of what, though? Hey, devil. I'm gonna look you in your eyes. Come and get some of what?
Energy,
What a 5 kids.
vibing, having fun, having a good time.
I don't know what fucking type vibe that is. All these fucking chains.
It got
and shackles
slightly
and all.
better. True, yeah?
You believe in God, man?
Yeah, I believe in God. I'm also an ambassador for the American Cancer Society. I go to hospitals, visit kids battling cancer. They look at me as an action figure hero.
That's what's up.
Sign him. This nigga got it. This nigga got it.
That's what's up.
This nigga got it.
let's clap
This
it up,
nigga
man.
got it. This nigga got it. This nigga got it.
So you see how they feel about that good shit, right?
Definitely.
So why the fuck would you keep visiting those kids?
What?
Give a fuck about them kids? I don't give a fuck about you. I don't give a fuck about that face mask you got on.
Okay.
I'm just telling you right now, I don't give a fuck. That's just how I feel though.
Right.
That's how I feel.
Okay.
Fuck, nigga. Me. So if you're gonna sign to me, that's what come with it. John Jovi.
Black Bon Jovi. But I understand what you're saying. You know,
Black
it's
John Jovi. I said your fucking name. didn't
Right.
the Black Bon Jovi.
Hey, man.
Like I said, I put in a lot of work.
What type of work we talking about? You go on drills and shit?
Drills.
Yeah, get them the fuck out of here,
Yo,
man.
who them?
No fucking, come on, man. Appreciate that, Black John Jovi.
Black Bon Jovi, appreciate it, homie.
I don't believe that shit. Ain't nobody letting that nigga around their fucking kids. He ain't getting around my kids. You gonna let that nigga babysit your kids? Hell no. And he damn sure ain't coming to no hospital. Shit, that's the last nigga I want to see sick. You gonna send Drake in there or something? What the fuck you gonna send John Gotti in there for? What the fuck would you send that nigga in there for? You just tell me. Why the fuck would you send a stupid ass nigga with dreads into my hospital room? Bitch, I'm already suffering enough. What the fuck going on? What y'all trying to kill me? That's why I'm gonna ask the doctor.
Yo!
Black John Jovi.
What the fuck?
Not gonna make it.
Yeah. Okay, but y'all gonna let them in. Okay. Fucking assemble. They better not. I swear to God, they better not. They better not.
Now what the fuck is this?
Nigga, we got the we got the oh no, they're already getting started. We got the male version of the fucking we got the male hood version of the Powerpuff Girls in this bitch. I cannot believe this. I can't believe this.
Yeah, the Gnarly Boys.
So 10 hours get hit. Got in the car with a leg cramp.
You guys are wearing life vests?
I ain't trying to drown in all this drip, you feel me?
Y'all still on that shroom high.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie though.
I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. I look like I'm playing?
Nah, man.
Let's cut all that stupid shit out there, man.
Rockstar, says you wanna rock with Rockstar. Hit, lit, stick, hit him in the shit. Baby, I'm a rage kid, yeah. From these riches,
Hey, you a little too loose right there with the juice. You a little too loose in the legs. Y'all boys been fondled with.
Whoa. Pause, time out on the court.
Hey.
Hold up.
Hit that split again. Let me see something. Yeah, he been fucked with. He been fucked over.
Oh my God. 0.5 out of 5. I think I said 0.5 out of 5.
I'm gonna sign him. Keep 2 of y'all back there. Come sign this.
Hold it down for us.
Jasharia.
Game, bro.
Yo.
Yeah, appreciate that, Jasharia. She loose.
It's the fucking crayons that come with the brush.
As hell, man. Drop down
Yo!
that split, yeah. Loose as a goose, don't get me started.
Yo.
2 shots of Patron and I'm off in the party.
Hey, tequila.
How old you is, bro, man? How old you is, bro? How old you is?
Forever.
Appreciate it, man. Y'all clap.
What did that have to?
What up? Appreciate it, man. Appreciate y'all. Y'all go to the 3rd door, the exit.
I mean, shoot. We going to a strip club.
Okay.
I'm Nicaraguan. You feel me?
Say that one more time.
Nicaragua.
You racist, man.
How's that racist?
Get him the fuck out of here.
Nigga said his name and got. Nigga said his name and got fucking. I was literally about to call this nigga. The fat, the not the fat, but like obviously, kind of like, you know what I'm saying, like. He looks like a Daniel Radcliffe clone. Like.
They're gonna show you where to go. Beat the fuck out of him.
What?
Beat the fucking look like daylights out his ass. You should have aced his ass.
Oh. Oh.
This is official. God damn, this is official. Oh, what's going on, man? What up?
Man?
You know how many times I done commented on your live to tell you that I'm trying to be on
Get him
here?
the fuck out of here.
Oh, that
Appreciate
was
that,
fast.
man.
All right, cool.
What, you part of a fucking gospel choir? Get him out of here, man.
This is a kimono.
What the fuck are you wearing, man? What part of ministry are you from, nigga?
I came out here from Jersey with a 48-hour notice just to see if I can make it. You know I had to double it.
You know how many times I get him the fuck out of here, nigga? Yeah. We gotta make sure we get to this car safe.
I will literally sign
Post Malone?
for 5 pennies. He can take everything, all the profit. It doesn't matter. I'm just trying to get out of my mom's house. I'm over this. I need to make my own way. I feel like this is it.
For life or shit.
Right. Oh my.
Too well.
How
How are you?
Haley's on?
Yeah, how are you?
Good, man. What's in that bag?
I want to say Happy Pride Month. Got you some gifts. Yeah. Just check them out real quick. You want to open it up real
He'll
quick?
take that for you. Check it out, baby D. What it is, man.
What?
Check it
Just
out,
for
man.
pride.
What
just
is
for pride.
it,
Check
bro?
it out.
Oh my. What is that, bro?
Yeah. Was that a butt plug?
Just want to let you know that I'm already in this shit for life.
Got it.
Damn.
Right.
For life.
Now that's dedication.
Right.
Yeah.
Now we'll keep it.
Oh, stop it.
Yeah.
Rolo.
For Jack, maybe. Give it to Jack.
Yo.
When you say Jack, who you talking about? Who you referring to?
Harlow. I think he'll enjoy that a lot.
Yeah,
So.
yeah. Okay. How long ago you got that tat?
2 days ago.
What?
What's the beat about
I mean,
it?
I'm ready to sign my life away for nothing.
Come sign right here, brother.
Wow.
You just got yourself a deal down here. Could have been.
Wow. Thank you, sir. Appreciate you. Can I? Okay. You want me to?
Oh, we're never gonna see this nigga again.
Sing or anything?
Oh.
Not a chance, white boy.
Okay.
Not a chance.
Just.
You know why I had you sign that?
Why?
Because are you out your fucking mind?
A little bit, yeah.
Cardi, is that a lucky bar?
Yeah.
How you feel about that?
I brought him some butt plugs for Pride Month. I don't know if he liked them. Told me he was gonna sign me, but then ripped my contract up. So mixed signals, but I still feel really good. I still feel really good about this.
The parties to the 360 deal recording contract shall be the labels, Coulda Been Records, and the artists. The terms of this agreement shall be...
First of all, you look fucking fine. Shit, first of all.
In perpetuity. I hope I'm not...
You look gorgeous.
In perpetuity. Thank you. I
Don't
appreciate
forget
that.
because that's
Excuse
the part
me.
where we take the money
Perpetuity, yes, sir.
The Savage. I don't know. Savage, nigga, the fuck?
Upon the signing of this document.
Let's get down to the royalties. Get down to
Oh,
number
let me
five. Number 5.
Royalties. Artists receive 1% of net receipt of
I think she's reading the contract.
sales.
Get back to the top of that. Say it one more time.
Artists will receive 1% of net generated by exploitations of the album in a medium worldwide, including but not limited to physical sales, download, streaming, and radio play.
Damn right. Appreciate that, mama. You still gonna sign?
I sign. I think we can get some money. Let's do this shit.
Let's do it.
What did she perform? What did she do? It just straight cut to her reading the contract.
Let's do it. Let's get this motherfucking money.
She's stupid.
I mean, of course, I'm aware about D Savage, but I just never listened to any of his shit.
Just fuck for signing the shit. She just read everything. All that don't mean shit. Appreciate that, mama.
All right.
We're gonna bring the next person in here, but we're gonna have you give Black a massage while we stand here.
Okay.
Bring in the next one. I got you. I told you I got you, didn't I? Yeah. Mm-hmm.
There was a woman standing on the stage, and then it cut to her massaging one of his security guards' arms.
Yeah. You good? You fucking with her? Yeah. She gonna hit Baby D right after this. I'm gonna just bring the next one up. What up, nigga?
Know what the fuck going on?
Hey.
It's that stain shit though, for real.
Don't reach down there.
Nigga, I'm John Wick with this shit. Please don't make me. Shit'll get wicked.
Shit get wicked.
Can't leave a stain.
What that mean?
Nigga, if I make you kiss the fucking ring.
Oh, shit. Yeah. Appreciate
My
that,
bad, brother.
Yeah.
All respect. That's why I asked you to kiss my ring.
Oh, big respect, nigga. You must not forgot who I was. I work with every artist in the game.
For sure.
Justin Bieber, Jay-Z, Glock 30.
All right, but now you working with him, Mr. Stain. Fuck all them niggas.
Mr. Stain, huh?
That.
Let me hear something.
Okay.
You gotta have talent.
All right, come on.
Gotta have talent. You don't see all this shit I got on?
The
This
jacket,
stain.
That jacket looks stained.
Yeah. What you want the rap to be about? Just to show you that it's all freestyle.
The shorties.
The shorties.
Okay.
Bitch, I got the shorties.
Yeah. You one of them loose ass niggas. I thought you was a gangster, nigga. What?
Bitch, I got them 40s.
Well, I thought you was a gangster, nigga. Yeah.
Bitch, I got them 40s.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Twerk some.
Staying on motherfucker.
You gotta stay on the black line
Oh,
so they can
hold
skip to
on.
the.
Did he just say twerk some? Did this nigga just say twerk some?
Hold on.
Yeah.
What you just said?
I said shake something.
Boom, dum, dum, dum,
You
dum.
can hit Baby D with the massage now.
Yeah. Boom, dum, 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 dum. Little nigga, little bitch.
Yo, I'm gonna start quoting that. I'm gonna start quoting that. I'm gonna start quoting that. Yo, I'm gonna start quoting that from now on. I swear to God I am. Niggas are not gonna be expecting it. I'm gonna be saying it at random fucking times. I swear to God. I swear. Yeah.
You can hit Baby D with the massage now.
Yeah. Boom, dum, 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 dum.
Yo.
Little nigga, little bitch.
Wait, who?
It's not supposed to be funny. Bro, oh my God. It's so unexpected. Yo.
Who?
All respect, brother. Stain shit at the end of the day.
Who, nigga?
I ain't call you a bitch. Chill out.
Cause I am one. Cause I is.
Yeah.
And I is. And
Yeah.
is.
And
I
I'm
actually
ready-
just got my ass whooped the other day.
And I'm ready to punch dick.
Yeah,
I'm
that,
ready
man.
for that orgy. Let's get it poppin'.
Yeah, but. Oh, hell no. Yeah,
They gotta know this first and foremost before I leave.
Oh, yeah, they know.
Punch dick.
Yeah, they penetrated your ass. Yeah. Baby, they about to bust a nut. Bust a nut! That nigga said,
Yo.
That nigga up here grunting.
Oh my God.
Still keep massaging him, but go ahead and put the... Y'all cut the cameras off, nigga. The fuck y'all doing?
Oh my God, yo.
You got it.
Yep.
I was not expecting to laugh this fucking hard.
Yeah, let's go,
bruh.
man. Hey, cut the cameras back on, man. Let's do it. Nigga, this shit about business, man. Hey.
Is it about business?
She did a hell of a job, man.
Thanks, man.
Yeah. What's good, baby girl?
Not you doing castings right now. Sign me.
God damn.
Yeah, appreciate
My
it.
baby.
Yeah, I'm gonna text you. Yeah. It could have been this business, man. Hey, nigga. Hey, man. Like I said, y'all cut them cameras off till we get the next contestant in here. I don't give a fuck what's going on. Y'all cut the fucking cameras off.
Hey, Mr. Druski, I am back. You don't miss me?
You low-key against us.
I'm for could have been.
Who the fuck does this nigga think he is?
Why you think I'm here?
What you'll do?
I get lit.
Show us how lit you get.
I got you. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Hey, 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 hey.
He has the Yu-Gi-Oh thing as a belt buckle. He has a.
It's not swaggy?
You grown-ass man, dog.
Got some happy dad.
Ah.
They hooked me up. They said, yo, go out there and get lit. I'm like, I got you guys.
Yeah, man.
I'm not 30?
Listen here, bitch.
Wow, bitch. That's kind of mean.
We're not doing all that funky fuck shit here with you. I know you think this is all jolly and games.
You're fun. I'm ready to be in Cali, throwing up West Side with my happy dad. Shout out Snoop.
Snoop would probably.
It's like he's actually like a black Lil Dicky. It's like he's
kill you, nigga.
I can show him my crip walk. I think he'll fuck with it.
Let's see it. Get this pussy ass out of here.
It sure did say swag.
Came with a rap for you, man.
Let's hear it.
Wow.
All right, cool.
What's your ethnicity?
Middle Eastern, Palestinian.
Palestinian.
Yes, sir. You in the Arab with me?
Yeah,
Yes,
man.
sir.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Hell yeah.
Why do you burp?
Oh, you burp on that. That's cool.
I got a little bit of Arab in me though.
Oh yeah. From
Like
where?
2%.
2%.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I heard.
Pakistani actually.
Pakistani.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 2%.
2%.
You know what's funny, man? I got 2% of Jamaican in me.
Jamaican.
Why go out and bet that thing?
You can say the N-word.
Huh?
You can say the N-word.
I'm
No,
not
you
gonna say
can't.
it right now.
No.
Fucking percent.
Wait, right now.
I'm not gonna do it. You know what I mean?
Dude, 2% Jamaican, nigga.
Can I just say something right now?
Just say nigga. That's what I want you to say,
I'm
nigga.
not saying, but the thing is,
Just
like,
say it, dog.
internet.
2%.
So you giving me the pass right now?
I'm telling you right now,
No
say
way.
that shit,
No
man.
way.
You're
No
2% Jamaican. Say
No
it.
way. No way.
Nigga.
No way.
It's tough. It's tough.
Blow his fucking head off if you say the N-word.
Oh my god.
Even let the G come out. Blow his fucking head off. You good, man. Hey, like I said, bro, say it.
Hey, yo, where's Jack? Jack sliding through?
Nah, not a chance.
Damn.
But I tell you who is. Niggas.
Okay, can we just, let's just be honest here. You're here for business, Druski.
Right.
How about you get on the feature, you say that same thing?
Say what?
That.
What's that?
Nah, you know what I mean. You know what I'm
That?
saying?
What
You
is
know
that?
You know what I'm saying. You boys know what I'm saying, right?
Yeah.
Y'all know what I'm saying. Cameraman, y'all know what I'm saying.
Definitely would not have said the N-word. You know what I'm saying? I did not say it originally, so let's just put that out there.
2% Jamaican enough for me. I ain't gonna lie. That's enough. Fuck it. Now another motherfucker coming here on that racist shit, shoot his ass right in the dome. Bow. One shot. Baby D, you got a pistol, right? Use it. Fuck it. Blast his ass. Blow his brains across the fucking wall.
Oh my
I don't give
god.
a fuck. Use the gun, bro. Why the fuck else would you have it? Use the fucking gun. I'm not hiring no bitch ass pussies. Like, why the fuck we got guns, man? Blow his fucking head off, nigga.
What's going on with it?
Good, man. You a CNA.
I'm a phlebotomist, bro. Phlebotomist, dog.
What that is?
I mean, I draw nigga blood.
What?
Loyalty. That's loyalty. You a HOE in my eyes, but
Who?
ain't no
Hey,
hoe
hey,
in
who
me.
the fuck you talking to, nigga?
I know some real niggas
Hey,
that's
hey,
gonna
hey,
slide.
hey, no, I don't give a fuck.
G-A-N-G?
Hey,
Well, fuck it,
hey.
I'm about to do it by myself.
Who the HOE?
Just M&E. Hey, man. These niggas out here, they be HOEs, bro.
I'm saying you looking left and you looking right. Who the HOE?
I don't know, boss. These niggas out here hoes.
These niggas ain't hoes.
I don't know, boss.
I tell you who is.
Who? Ungrateful ass niggas.
Hey, who you gonna show?
I show something, man.
Who?
Keep it quiet. Show these niggas.
Who? Who are these niggas? That's what I'm saying. Who?
It's a lot of people
Nigga,
around.
it's only us.
It's a lot of niggas around. What you mean?
You must be talking about the camera folks.
Hey, whoever receive it.
Nigga, but I'm saying, I need you to be direct. You being
It's
real
for the-
indirect
I'm
in this
being
motherfucker.
direct.
Tell the cameraman now.
These niggas pussy. I can't make it up.
Hey, hold on,
It
bro.
ain't no
hey,
Maybelline.
hey. Shut the fuck up. How you feel about that, bro?
You a HOE in my eyes, bro, but it ain't no hoe in me.
You impressing a fucking nurse, bro.
Get me the fuck out of here. You a HOE in my eyes, nigga.
Yo.
Let's save some lives, nigga. Ain't never retaliating on nobody.
Yo. Why'd you say Davis? He doesn't.
Good shit, man.
Young and May?
Really? What time was I? You supposed to be here?
Where you from?
St. Thomas. The VI.
So what's your government name? Like
Oh,
your real
Gina.
name? Not Gerald?
Gina.
Druski. Druski.
Oh, shit, I thought you a dreadhead, bruh.
I mean, I got locks.
I ain't know. That's what I'm saying. I ain't know you. Girl, what's up, girl?
What's up?
Okay, sir. Let's hear what you got. Yeah, man.
Oh, okay.
Yo.
Wait, what the fuck? What you gripping down there?
I'm just saying.
I just gotta put my pants up.
Nigga, ain't shit down there, man. Ain't no fucking thing, man. Nigga, ain't shit down there, nigga.
Listen now.
You got panties on.
Listen now, Auntie Fat down there.
Okay,
Don't
I heard.
say like
That's
that,
what I said.
now.
Hey.
No, hey.
Hold on 1 second.
You better ask about me.
Hey, them dykes be having that food.
Yo.
They packed that dick, but I'm telling you, that pussy hit.
You said what?
Nah,
No,
bro,
speak up.
I'm here to hear you rap.
You
know
want
what
me to
I'm
take my shades off?
Yeah, you
so I
take
look,
them
so I
off.
can look you dead in
Your
your
pretty ass, bro.
I appreciate it.
My fault, sir.
Yo. Tighten up.
Low key, you handsome though. I ain't
Tighten
gonna lie,
up.
you
No, I'm
handsome as fuck.
beautiful.
Yeah, nah, it's all
Listen.
good.
She know with the shits like a bag full of doo-doo. Like a bitch is red when she see me coming Subaru. Rocking back and forth.
Druski, stop. Druski, stop.
In her mouth like a tooth loop.
Hey, what you keep gripping down there? What's down there?
Man, what?
I'm saying you keep grabbing at that motherfucker, man.
Man, listen.
You got that shit on you right now?
Man, I keep that shit on me.
She keep it.
I keep that shit on me,
His
man.
ass keep it, man.
I pop pussy, baby. Ain't
My
nobody
fault.
I ain't got no dildo. I keep telling you. I don't do them type of things, baby. We popping pussy.
My fault, bro.
Yeah, we don't do that, baby.
Well, shit, man.
You gonna let me do my little 1-2?
Yeah, go ahead, bro.
You so mesmerized. Just say that. Let me see what I got for you.
She fooled me, bro.
Let me see what I got.
You never know. You never know, man. I don't be knowing they travel with it.
Ain't nobody traveling. I ain't got no dildo. I don't got no dildo. I don't do that. We don't do that over here, baby. We popping pussy. You don't see no bulge in my pet, baby. That's Fat Ma right here, baby.
Oh, that Fat Ma.
Listen, that's Fat Ma, baby.
Yeah, pat it again, pat it.
Yeah, pretty
pat-
titties.
yeah.
All that. I don't play the type of games, baby.
Yeah, okay, Patty
We
LaBelle.
don't do all that. We don't
I
do
like
all
that.
Nigga said Patty LaBelle. Oh my fucking god.
I'm finna snap in this bitch like a number 2, and I'm on anybody's head like a hairdo. You don't need the alphabet to see I'm a G-B-A-Y from the 8-1 trade, new to the industry, so it's polite to speak. A lot of hoes ain't gay, but a lot of hoes feeling me.
Hey, talk about that right there.
What?
A lot of hoes ain't gay, but they feeling you.
They gay for me. That be the ones that be whispering with that lick on their tongue. You fine as fuck. Now I let you use pussy from the bite.
Who, me?
No, not you. I don't do that. I'm talking about the hoes, baby, the hoes.
Oh, my bad, bro.
Yeah, the hoes.
Okay, I like that. Come sign this deal right here. I like that. I like that. That's what's up. Y'all clap it up.
See, now, out of all these niggas, that's potential. That's potential. That's potential. That's potential. That's potential. That's potential.
Appreciate it. Y'all
That's
can't
potential.
give a nigga nothing now.
A nigga?
Yo, yeah. I'm a real nigga first, baby.
You just said.
I'm all, listen, why is females
No, I'm just
can't
saying
be
I'm
real
confused because
niggas?
you just. Fuck it.
Right.
Yeah, fuck it. You got the shit going on, but I like you.
I like you too. I like you.
Thank you, Druski. I appreciate the opportunity.
I like you.
For real.
Yeah.
I really appreciate it. I appreciate what y'all doing for us.
I appreciate you too.
That's it. All right, y'all.
Thank you.
Appreciate you.
Yo.
Thank you so much, Druski.
Yo.
Damn, he low-key thick. He thick. He low-key thick, bro. Bro, he's low-key thick. You peep it? That's what I'm saying. I don't be knowing. I don't know. Like, nowadays, this shit getting so crazy, man.
Yo.
He tried to hide that shit in some swimming trunks? Nigga put all that ass in some swimming trunks? Hey, boy, how you fit all that ass in them swimming trunks, man?
Oh my god.
What size are them swimming trunks? This shit got me all fucked up. I'm confused as a motherfucker. Shit. Bring the next one in. Bring the next one in. Give him the fuck
Druski!
Give him the fuck out of here.
I'm the villain. I didn't care. Get one chance. One. I'd love to glaze those donuts.
That was the chance you could have popped his ass. That was the one. You could have shot that one. That was an easy kill.
Oh.
Bow.
Oh.
It's good, Druski.
My nigga had a V. No. This nigga has a V-Loan shirt on. No. 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 This nigga has a V-Loan shirt on.
What's up, man?
Fuck with the drip, dog.
Yeah, man. Puerto Rico. Shout out Puerto Rico.
Yes,
man.
sir, papi. Ya tú sabes. Represent.
Oh, is that a V-Loan shirt? I don't think that's a V-Loan shirt.
Representing.
Yeah.
Yes,
The
sir.
V,
Toco,
nigga,
oh, papi.
everything.
Baby, hace rato que te estoy pensando. Tu recuerdo a mí me está matando. De la noche fue la tortura.
You know, they say Puerto Ricans be like moving their hips and shit. Like,
Oh, yeah. That's the type of
let's
music.
see, let's
It's
see
just
it, man.
there's no beat, so
Let's
I can't.
see it, yeah,
You know
let's
what
see it,
I'm
let's see
saying, Baby, hace rato que te estoy pensando. Tu recuerdo a mí me está matando. Yo, with a girl, you know what I'm saying?
Get the fuck out of here, nigga.
You know what I'm saying? Fuck shit, yeah, man.
These cigars got me dizzy as a motherfucker. John, where you say you got these shit from again, bro? Cuba.
Shut up. Oh.
What they do?
Hey, Druski.
How y'all doing? How y'all
We doing
doing?
good. How are you?
You got that
Where y'all
cigar,
from?
see?
We from
Dade
Dade.
County.
Born and raised.
Is your girl?
No,
No.
we friends. Sister
I
and
didn't
brother.
like that.
Sister and brother.
Yeah. How old y'all live?
18.
18.
Mm-hmm.
All right, bet. Let's hear it. Hey, y'all shut the fuck up back there, man.
A hoe could never put fear in my heart. You think I'm going hard now, baby? This a start. I ain't
Appreciate that,
stopping
baby girl. Let me hear what you got, baby.
Here we go. I make it flow. Badass nigga, I'm about to get a ass
Wait,
trouble trying to plug me,
hey, Fruit Loop.
Uh-oh.
What, hey.
Fruit Loop is crazy.
You make that shit float, huh? Hey.
Y'all ain't on that. Y'all trying to knock me out, bro.
I need to go out there and see. Let's go figure this shit out.
What the fuck?
Hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. Y'all stay right there. Let's see what the fuck going on out here. Hey! Y'all got him out? What the fuck going on, man?
Somebody, bro.
Yeah, nigga drunk. Yeah, no, I take care of it myself. That's what I'm trying to tell you. I take care of it myself.
When I'm manifesting what was mine all alone. Just on topic, but I'm real fine and alone. I just want the money, you can keep the real. This cat lie, do I love that too? Say she say gon' be big. I was ready.
No, I'm saying, don't hold me back, because when I get around the nigga, shit, it is what the fuck it is.
You're not gonna get to him.
Shit.
You trying to act all tough on me, right?
Bitch, I'ma do it.
Hold on. You got beef with me or something?
Let me see out
It
there.
doesn't seem like they respect me very much, bro. What is illegal, bro?
People want to check these days, that's all.
I'm making sure you good. You know, I just came back here to check.
You just want to film a TV.
Yeah.
Hey, sit up, baby.
How you doing? I'm good. All right, bet. You coming in? Just had
What
to handle
just
one of these fuck
happened?
niggas.
Did you really though?
Everything good. Everything good.
Mm-hmm.
What just happened?
Ain't shit popping off here.
Are you sure? Ooh.
I got a black eye for real.
Oh.
But I thought you handled business.
Yeah, you just handled that.
You just handled business. What happened? What you letting your daddy beat on
I'm
you?
gonna keep it real. One of them niggas just fucked me up back there.
Oh.
But
And what they
But you see what the
for
fuck happened.
satire? What they here for?
You
No
see what
help.
happened? I still got him back.
And what y'all did?
But you the one that left with the damage.
They didn't fucking see it, nigga.
But you paying them.
They didn't fucking see it.
They supposed to be
If they was there,
everywhere.
they would have fucked them up. I was the first one out.
Why they ain't follow?
You see what the fuck happened though?
Yeah, and
they
they
let it
still
happen.
here. And
Right.
they still here.
And it don't fucking.
They're not
give a
handling
fuck out-
business.
It don't fucking matter.
Ho?
Oh.
The fuck?
Who the fuck she talking to?
You, sir.
Oh. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna get my ass dealt with. Hey,
Okay.
that nigga might beat my ass too.
Get you
I'm
another
sorry.
black
I'm
eye.
sorry. My bad, ma'am.
Okay, you in my city.
Yeah. Oh shit. Y'all make sure she.
Oh my.
Yeah.
Oh.
Let's see what thing one and thing two really do.
Thing one and thing two.
Right.
Hey, I already got my ass whooped enough, bitch. I'm done. I've had enough. That nigga just took my ass up through there back there. Shit. I shouldn't have went out there. And why the fuck you wasn't back there, nigga? When I went out there first. If I'm going out there first, one of y'all niggas got to be in front, one of y'all niggas got to be in the back. The stud tried to comfort me, try to give me some dick.
Oh
that
my.
bitch said thing one and thing two. We gonna have to worry about that shit when we get to the parking lot.
Yo.
I'm trying to get vision back in the right eye.
Damn, that nigga really got you. Oh, hold on. Hang on.
How you doing? How you doing?
Hey, boss.
I like the way you address that.
Hold
I
on.
can read your mind, babe. I know what you're thinking. It's alright, babe. I'm not a singer, I'm more of a performer.
I like that though.
I'm a content creator, model.
OnlyFans?
Oh my.
Want me to sign right now?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Wow. Wow.
That's all you need to say.
That's all you need to say?
Let me hear that tune one more time.
Lay down. Shut the fuck up.
I can read your mind, babe. It's alright. It's alright, babe.
I know you wanna see. I know you wanna see.
And my BED grinding slowly. Oh, I still have to bring my whip out for you.
Wait, whoa. Wait,
Oh.
what?
I still have to bring my whip out for you. All right. We're done.
All right, y'all clap it up. That's real talent, man. That is real fucking talent right there.
Whip out.
Y'all tripping if y'all don't say she can sing. She can sing, man.
Can she?
She did say she gonna bring that whip out. That is,
I know, she did say
yeah,
that.
that got a little racist quick.
Oh. Was that her contract? Was that her contract?
Straight
Oh.
business.
What the fuck?
Right here with my daughter. You feel me?
What you do, man?
I'm a daddy, I'm a gangster, and I love God.
Her name is Lewis.
That's his government, huh?
Yeah.
Lewis the gangster.
I love how this nigga Druski is. He has his hat tilted so he can block his black arm.
Your daughter just told on you.
Yeah.
You wasn't expecting that, would you?
I'm expecting everything she say.
Yeah.
I put it in her.
Would you?
I'm expecting everything she say.
Yeah.
I put it in her.
Wait, no.
Everything.
Rick Ross, what you waiting on, man? Sign my daddy. Rick Ross, what you waiting on, man? Sign my daddy. To the right, take it to the right, to the left, to the left. Now slide, 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 slide. Sit a boy with it, sit a boy with it, sit a boy, sit a boy, sit a boy with it. Now deal, baby. Come on, deal, baby. One more time.
Hold on. Hey, Druski, Druski, we're like this. Druski, we're like this. You don't have your daughter dipping. No. Yeah, no. Druski, me, we're locked in. We're locked in like these. No, you don't have your daughter. You don't have your daughter dipping.
Ross, what you waiting on, man?
Oh.
Sign my daddy. Rick Ross, what you waiting on, man? Sign my daddy. Y'all stop playing, man. We here for a reason.
Come sign this shit, man, right here.
Trying to get out the hood. What
Nah, I want her to sign. She go ahead and sign.
What it is?
We're gonna sign you.
What we gonna do? What am I supposed to pick?
You know what to put.
What's your name?
Put that
Jane
signature
Hancock.
on there. Sign my daddy.
Old lady. You feel me?
We just did. Well,
Are you gonna sign us or what?
They just
don't
did.
know what just happened, do you? Good luck in school.
Let her know you're a mermaid.
Alright, this nigga's getting corny.
A mermaid is a creature who's...
Hey, baby girl. None of that matter no more. I'm telling you, there go your childhood. There go your childhood. There go the childhood, the daycare, the school.
How is it funny? He's not in real life and I'm not in real life.
Oh, you don't get it. It's gonna be real funny. You gonna laugh. You might cry. Yeah.
Man, you scandal.
Your daddy.
We'll see.
Sign my daddy. We your daddy.
Get us out the hood.
Sign my daddy. We your daddy. Sign my daddy. We your daddy. Thank y'all. Yeah. I'm your daddy. Sign your daddy. I'm your daddy.
What the fuck?
Little bitch.
I'm the man for it. We the family for it. And we got a story. You feel me? We both entertainers, comedians, actors, however you want to, you know what I mean? So we got a story behind it, so it'll be dope for the world. You know what I mean?
We gonna get the ups on that. Little bitch. Sign my daddy.
Sign my daddy.
Oh, you thought it was over? Wait for part 2 to drop. Just wait.
Oh, of course it's a fucking part 2. Jesus fucking Christ. What the fuck was that? What just happened? What just happened? What just happened?